Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever walked into a room and felt invisible? While some other guy says nothing, does nothing special, and still owns the room? That's not luck. That's body language. Here's the truth no one tells you. People decide how they feel about you before you open your mouth. Your body speaks first. Your words come second. So today, I'm giving you the full body language guide for men. Simple, practical, and no weird alpha wolf nonsense. Let's start with posture. If you walk like your phone weighs 50 pounds and your shoulders are apologizing for existing, people read that as low confidence. Straighten up, chest relaxed, shoulders back, but not military stiff. Think calm, not cocky. You're not trying to impress anyone. You're just comfortable being here. Now let's talk about eye contact. Too little eye contact and you look nervous. Too much eye contact and suddenly you're a Netflix true crime suspect. The sweet spot, hold eye contact when listening. Break it naturally when talking. If you can hold eye contact while smiling slightly, congratulations, you just unlock free respect. Hands matter more than you think. Hands hidden in pocket all the time, you look unsure. Fidgeting like you drank 5 coffees, you look anxious. Relax your hand. Let them move naturally when you speak. Open palms equals honesty. Clenched fist equals you're about to argue with customer support. Now let's fix walking. Most men rush like they're late, even when they're early. Slow down. A relaxed pace signals confidence. People who feel important don't hurry, they arrive. Facial expressions are next. You don't need a fake smile glued to your face. Just look approachable. Resting angry face, relax your jaw. Slight smile. You don't need to look tough. You need to look calm. Personal space, this one is huge. Stand too far and you seem disconnected. Stand too close and now it's uncomfortable. Arm's length is perfect. Close enough to connect, far enough to respect. Now here's a powerful one, stillness. Nervous people move a lot. Confident people are comfortable being still. Pause before you speak. Pause after someone finishes talking. Silence isn't awkward when you are comfortable with it. And finally, mirroring. If someone leans back, lean back a little. If they speak calmly, slow your tone. Creates connection without saying a word. Just don't copy everything or you'll look like their reflection. Here's the big takeaway. Confidence isn't loud. Confidence is calm. It's not about dominating a room. It's about being grounded in it. Start with one thing today. Fix your posture. Slow your walk. Relax your face. Small changes. Massive difference. Because when your body speaks confident, your words don't have to work so hard. And trust me, people notice.